Hi everybody, it's Spring with Soaps and Suds and such, and what are we doing today? Well, this is an old bird feeder that I've had for, I don't even know how long time. Well, we finally got it put up here, and my son and my husband's going to spray paint it. So, I thought I'd share that with you. I really like it. It has got some rust on it. We couldn't get it all off. We sanded a little bit of it, but couldn't get it all off. I'm going to be doing, I'm thinking herbs in this flower bed because I've already got oregano started. And we've got a tree we're going to have to yank up. This is not a good spot for him. Then I've got black-eyed Susan over our Rudbeckia. It'd be really good for the bees. But my son, I think, is getting the spray can ready, so I'll bring you back in a minute. Okay, my son has 3D printed something. I'll let him tell you what it is and about it.
This is a spray paint trigger. Now this one I've started work on. I made one that printed in one piece. This one prints in 3 pieces. It has a screw, so that way you can print this trigger to be strong as it can be, so it doesn't break. And you print out the screw and everything, and you just screw this handle in. And of course you can make different handles and use different handles, or if it breaks you can put a different one in, because it's just got that screw holding it in. I got a stubby handle on here right now. And
now, have you got the files up
No.
on Thingiverse? Okay. Okay guys, my son got a little bit more red paint that he had, and we got that painted. Need to paint the base when we get some black paint, but here it is. And I've got in the bed, which has got rocks around it, I planted some herbs up front. I've got some chives right there. I've got some basil, tarragon, trying to think. Over here we've got oregano that was already established. And we've got a rudbeckia, black-eyed Susan over here. And I'm thinking about putting, maybe possibly putting a fragile vine, something like maybe the cardinal climber or a black-eyed Susan vine or something over there on that sides right over there, and not letting it cover the top or the front where they eat, but you know, going up and around like that center part right there. But we'll see, I guess. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do click subscribe. That'll let you know every time it'll notify you every time we upload. And have a great day. Happy gardening, soaping, whatever you may be doing today.